Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about how to upload the bulk users into the Moodle LMS. Now, for one user creation is very easy. We can directly enter into the users and add users. Just will enter the required field and we can create it. But imagine you want to upload 100 users or 1000 users or 2000 users, so one by one entry it take the lot of time and it will time consuming process. So that what we need to do, there is a one simple procedure is there to upload the bulk users into the Moodle with the use of the CSV file, right? Just we need the data in the CSV format. Just attach a CSV format and your all the users are will be created in that Moodle LMS. So first for that, what we need to do, first of all, we need a one CSV file for our source data. Just I'm show you what are the important fields are required in the source data. Just this is the our Excel file. In that Excel file, there are 5 mandatory fields are required to upload that you create the user into the Moodle. Number one is username, we need password, first name, last name and email. These 5 fields are mandatory to create any users into the Moodle LMS. Okay, now here just I have that 4 records. Okay, these records, now these users we are going to create into our Moodle. Okay, now so for that this is the Excel file. This Excel file we need to convert into the CSV format to use for our Moodle LMS. For that, just conversion of Excel to CSV is very easy. Go to file, save as. Now the file name is already is there. Just change it to CSV format. Just comma delimited value. Save the file. So file is now is ready for the, now the file is converted to CSV format. Now go back to our Moodle. Now in that Moodle where we need to upload the users, just go to the users, where you need to first click the site administration, and this is site administration dashboard. Okay, just enter the user, there you will find the upload users. So accounts, just click the upload users. Now system will ask for to upload the file into the Moodle LMS. So now that uploading, just a few minutes. Now its system is opening now. Now system is ready to upload our file. There are two procedures are there to upload the file. One is you can drag and drop the particular file or go to the choose a file. Just I am entering into the choose a file, choose file, right? Now there see the command, this one we saved. This is our Excel file and this is our command. So just I am choosing the user detail, our CSV file, open it. Now file is ready and upload this file. Just now file is uploaded. Now see CSV, now we are using the CSV format and encode you keep it the UTF-8. Preview rows, how many rows would you like to want to see the preview at a time? 10 rows or 20 rows or 100 rows. So just keep it as I'm just keeping the 10. Upload the users. Now just now file is uploading. Just few minutes, depends on your server. Now it will, so now file is, so the upload, this is the preview. So username, password, first name, last name, email, and the CSV line is also it is showing, because our CSV line is starting from the second page, third page. The first line for our headings, so row headings, sorry, column headings. Okay, username, password, first name, last name. Now here only the main thing we need to keep it in our mind. So upload type, add new only or the existing users, add all append number to user if needed, add new and update existing users, and updating. Now this is now first time we are creating, right? Before that, these users are not available in our Moodle, so that better choose this add new only, skip existing user. All the users are new users. So in the next videos I will show how to use that update existing videos. Just add new only, skip existing users. I'm just choosing, and the remaining all just you keep it as such. Come down, come down, come down. Just if you want to give the any city or institution, just you change institution. For example, ABS educational hub. Okay, just which one you want, just upload the users. Now file is uploading now. Okay, just for it will take a little bit time to upload into the server, because one by one it will upload, and this also depends on your service. Now see, now file is ready. Now new status, new user, new user, new users, and username, and everything ready now, uploaded. Now just see the status in that down. If you see now, user created for error 0 and press continue. Now your user is now created into the Moodle. Just we will see the how the user list is there, and see, that's all. Go to site administration, again go back, right? Site administration. So it is taking a little bit time for depends on your server speed. Okay, uh, yes, now it's a very easy process. And now go to the users and browse the user list. Just click it and it will show how many list users are available in our server, and it will show to you. Okay, now it is opening. Now see, these are all the user. Now we recently we created Bernick Williams, Mohammad Abbas, but see, these are all the now we created. Now this user never log in. So this is the way we can upload the bulk users into our Moodle LMS. Okay, and this video is very useful for you to upload bulk users into the Moodle.